Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we are going to talk about how to fix rotten yard fence posts. This video will explore everything you need and provide methods to assist you in fixing your rotten yard fence posts. Use an easy mender. With countless good reviews, using an easy mender has successfully fixed rotten yard fence posts. A 4x4 fence post can be driven down using the easy mender by wrapping it around one side and using the projecting strike ledge. It is forced down by pounding it along the post until the tip is between the concrete in which it is embedded. The steel mender is wedged into the concrete to create a new sturdy base. The mender's side is then fastened to the intact upper post piece using bolts, screws, or nails. The best thing about easy menders is that they are also affordable. Put up a new fence post. This is easier than it may seem. You must dig as close to the concrete as you can and then remove the screws holding the fence to the post. By doing this, you can loosen the post and use your new post as leverage to wrap a rope around it. Wrap the rope around 2 feet from the end and raise the long end to remove the old post. After refastening your fence and inserting your new pressure-treated post into the hole, surround it with a bag of concrete mix and give it plenty of water to solidify. Within an hour or less, it would have already hardened. Replace these specific rotten posts. If the number of rotten posts is very low, like 2, it will be much easier to buy a specific number of posts and put them up rather than replace the whole fence. Dig around the rotten area, careful not to damage any nearby timber. Next, you can swap the old wood for brand new posts and boards, which can be covered in tar after being fastened to the ground using wire or staples at each joint. Fill a bucket with wood glue and mineral spirits, then combine them in a ratio of 2 parts glue to 1 part spirit. Ensure there is no space between the fence post base and bottom where water could enter and continue to erode it by pouring this into the hole until it completely covers the damaged region. Leave it to dry. So, there you have it. Rotten yard fence posts can be annoying, especially when they're unstable. However, fixing the rotten fence post does not have to be expensive. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.